Fuck off! I only gave one of you a piece of bread. Bruh, leave me alone. Alright, Fred. Would you like another piece of bread? There you go, buddy. Enjoy. I think I'm gonna name him Jerry, because he's showed up quite a few times now. How you doing there, buddy? Jerry is like right next to me. He's chilling. Jerry, I want you to pick a fight with the goose. Jerry, pick a fight with him. Fred, pick a fight with him. Yeah, there you go. Fred, woohoo! I love this seagull. Take another step, and I will get Fred to personally put you in a hospital. Come on, Fred. They just fought, sort of. Fred jumped at him, and then he squeaked. This goose is scared of Fred. This is actually my favorite seagull. So Fred got him to run off that way, but then he came back, and he brought a Fred. Where did Jerry go? Because, like, I only see geese. So Jerry's gone, but like, Fred's lit. And there, goose. Fred. Where did Jerry go? Because like, I only see geese. So Jerry's gone, but like, Fred's lit. And there, goose. Alright. So Fred is going to take on the Dorito challenge. Okay, buddy. Enjoy. I'm joking, they're just Doritos. But like, not anything spicy or anything. He's chill. He's good. Enjoy. I'm out of food, so see ya, Fred. It was good chilling.